Hello muffins, this is Tina. In today's video, I'm going to recycle a disposable plastic cup into a mini pouch. I have not been able to post any new videos because I lost all my videos when my MacBook stopped working. Hence I have to reshoot all my videos. This is the pouch that I made when I first shot this video. How I made the pouch. First you need a disposable plastic cup. This cup measures about 7 centimeters in height. Cut the top part of the cup like so. Smoothen the edges with a scissor. Now fold the cup into half like so. Take a zipper. Start gluing the zipper to one side of the cup. Now start gluing the zipper to the other side of the cup like so. Open the zipper so that it's easier to glue the other side. Cut off the excess zipper. Glue the edges of the zipper like so. I'm planning to do an entire series of crafts with recycled plastic. Please let me know your thoughts on that in the comment section. I'm using this piece of fabric to cover the cup. The edges of this fabric are nicely finished, so I will directly start gluing it to the cup. Glue it to one side of the cup. Now cut off the excess fabric, leaving about an inch on either side for a seam allowance. Now glue over the excess fabric like so. For the excess fabric on the bottom, cut fringes and then glue it over. To cover the other side, first glue the fabric in a slant like so, and then start gluing it over the other side. The excess, leaving about an inch for seam allowance. Fold over the seam allowance and then glue it like so. The fabric that I'm using for this pouch is actually really soft, and I got it at a very cheap price. It just cost me ₹10, and I got it in different colors and different designs. For the base, take a piece of foam and then trace over the bottom part of the cup on it, and then glue it to the bottom. I'm now decorating this pouch with the flower that I made from foam. My mini pouch is now ready. Thank you for watching. Hope you like the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and bye-bye.